Remove the pin shaft. Install the handle and connect it to the pump body using the pin shaft. Press down the handle and remove the pin. Thread the handle chain through the hole of the big pin. Hang the nut and bolt onto the lever plate. Tighten the nut. Connect the wiring harness connector. Place the cover plate and secure it with screws. Insert the fixing pin through the pin shaft. Product operation. Press lift button to lift. Hold the control lever upwards to lower. Push down on the handle and rotate accelerator knob to move forward or backward. Press turtle button and rotate accelerator knob to move in tight space. Press the horn button to activate the buzzer. When the emergency reverse button contacts the body, the pallet jack moves in reverse. When the handle is turned upright or horizontal, the pallet jack stops immediately. Battery replacement is very convenient. Turn off the power after use.